All right, what's going on, guys? I just got back from checking out that 3500 I did the other day. The gentleman's bringing it back so I can put some clear on it. He ended up doing a rustic, vintage patina look on it, and it looks really good. I'm excited to get that in. Right now, I had a buddy from the next town over. He asked me if I could do a fiberglass repair on his boat. So it's a small, dime-sized hole on the bottom of the boat. But I'm about to get on him and dry it off and see if we can get it patched up real quick. For my first airbrush job, I got to airbrush that helmet. Oh, yeah? Yeah. They came and dropped off this helmet earlier. Finally, a little bit of airbrush work, so I'm excited for that. And that's it, guys. The helmet's done, as you can see. If you like the video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you on the next one. Later.